Hello, this is a quick tutorial video on screen sharing in Zoom. So as you can see, I have already started a meeting in my Zoom. So to screen share, I'm going to come down to the middle where this green box with the arrow is and click on Share Screen. You're going to see maybe slightly different options. I am on a Mac, on a PC, or a phone. The options will look a little bit different, but they work essentially the same. So the first one's going to say desktop or screen. This means that you're going to share everything on your computer that you have open. The next option is a whiteboard. This is simply an interactive space where you and the students can come in, you can draw, you can type, you can create graphic organizers, whatever might work best for you. I have shared the whiteboard screen, so once you share something, to stop, your controls move up to the top, you just click Stop Share. I'm going to come back down. Our other options, because I'm on a Mac, I can connect my iPhone one of these two ways and share something that's on it. Or for any device you're on, any windows that you currently have open on your computer are also an option to share. So let's say that I'm working with my students on reading Harrison Bergeron and writing a satirical essay about it. If I only want to explore the text with them, even though I have more up on my screen right now that you can see than the text, if I just choose that text piece that I have up, the students are only going to be able to see this. This can be very useful because I might want to refer to some of the notes that I have in my essay exemplar over here while I'm talking to them, but I only want them looking at the actual text itself. Now let's say we finish that and I want to move on and give them a view of both. I can simply stop share, share screen, and come up and share my entire desktop. Now, you'll notice that the share has started. I know that because of my controls up here, but my video's still up. The students can't see that. It's just in my way. So I'm going to simply move it down. And now I can see what the students can see, which is the essay on the left and the text on the right. So we can interact with both of these documents and students can see them at the same time. A note on this, just so you're aware, if you do have any push notifications that come onto your desktop, such as Facebook messages or email pop-ups, if you are sharing your entire screen, students will be able to see that. So you need to make sure that you're careful. It's also worth taking just a moment to note that the up arrow next to share screen opens up a couple of options for you when it comes to screen sharing. I like to go to the advanced settings and I keep my settings all the time on one participant can share, at a time. All participants can share, but only the host can start sharing while somebody else is sharing. You can choose what fits best for you. This is what I feel works best for me. I hope this helped you in your screen sharing ventures. I wish you the best.